If you've been searching for a powerful AI reminder software that can transform the way you stay on top of tasks and manage your daily life, then Todof might be the solution you've been waiting for. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI tool so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Stick around because I'm going to reveal some game-changing features at the end that you won't want to miss. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually try Todof completely free from the first link in the description below. If you're looking to streamline your reminders, increase productivity, and get ahead in your tasks, keep watching. This is going to be a good one. First up, Todof is designed to be more than just a reminder app. It's an AI-powered tool that uses advanced machine learning to automatically prioritize your tasks based on urgency, deadlines, and even how much time you have available. What's impressive here is how the AI doesn't just remind you about tasks. It helps you decide what to do first, so you're always working on the most important things at the right time. Whether it's a work deadline or a personal commitment, Todof ensures you never miss a thing. Another standout feature is its integration with multiple platforms. Todof connects seamlessly with your Google Calendar, Outlook, and other productivity tools, meaning you don't need to manually add your reminders. The AI pulls all the data for you, and then it works its magic to keep everything organized. This means no more jumping between apps. Everything you need is in one place. Now, let's talk about its smart notifications. Todof doesn't just remind you about tasks, it reminds you at the right time. The app analyzes your calendar and sends reminders based on your location, time of day, and even your energy levels. Imagine a reminder to follow up on a meeting right when you have a break in your schedule, or a notification to prepare for tomorrow's presentation when you're winding down for the day. This level of precision helps you stay ahead without feeling overwhelmed. For people who juggle multiple projects or roles, Todof's multitasking functionality is a game changer. The software doesn't just list tasks. It helps you track progress and manage workflows across various projects. You can set long-term goals and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks that the AI will track, adjust, and help you complete. And the AI's learning curve? It's almost non-existent. The more you use Todof, the better it gets at understanding your work patterns. You won't have to manually categorize or set priority levels. The software learns your preferences and makes automatic adjustments to help you stay on track. This self-learning feature is what sets Todof apart from other reminder apps that require a lot of manual input. A feature that's especially useful for business owners and professionals is Todof's team collaboration tools. You can share tasks, assign responsibilities, and monitor progress all within the app. This isn't just about individual productivity, it's about team productivity. If you have a group working together, Todof helps everyone stay aligned, all without the need for external project management tools. Finally, let's talk about Todof's security features. With all the tasks and personal data stored in the app, Todof uses end-to-end encryption to ensure your information stays safe. So, you can rest easy knowing your data is secure while the AI does its job of helping you stay organized. To sum it up, Todof is a remarkable tool for anyone looking to optimize their productivity. Whether you're managing personal tasks, work commitments, or team projects, this AI reminder app has you covered. Its integration, smart notifications, learning curve, and team collaboration features make it one of the most powerful productivity tools you can use today. Remember, if you want to try Todof for free, click the link in the description below. And don't forget, I've also listed other recommended AI tools that I've tried, and after testing thousands of apps, I only recommend the best. Check out the links in the description, and thanks for watching.